Hello everyone, today we will be looking at two major players in router UPS in the market. One will be a Resonate router UPS which just arrived today, and Cuzor 12 volt router UPS. Both of them are 12 volts and provides 2 ampere power. Both companies are based in Bangalore, India. You can see Cuzor Labs in Bangalore and Resonate also in Bangalore. For the Cuzor 12 volt router UPS, the specs suggest that it is input and output is 12 volt 2-way max, and for the Resonate router UPS it is also 12 volt and less than 2-way. For the contents in the box, as you can see, Cuzor provides one bridge cable, and router UPS you get in the box more than one bridge cable. I think there are 3 numbers of bridge cables, one router UPS, user manual, and the warranty card. As you can see, the MRP is a bit higher than what you can expect in the online prices. Cuzor costs 2,695 as the MRP, and router UPS is 2,911. But both of them are of the same configuration, and you can get it around 1,800 or 900. Maybe Resonate UPS is a bit more costly, maybe 100 or 200 rupees costlier than the Cuzor UPS. I have used both of them and I really liked both of them. The quality of both are really good. I've been using Resonate for several years, a 9 volt 1 ampere model. Cuzor was a new addition to my devices, and I have been using it for maybe 3 to 4 months now, and I have never faced any issues with Cuzor as well. The back side of the box, you can see how you can connect your device and the power adapter. On both of the boxes they have shown this. A close-up of that on Cuzor, and on the Resonate router UPS. Resonate router UPS uses a 2000 mAh battery, and I have read online that the Cuzor uses a 2600 mAh battery. Probably that is the reason you can see the Resonate provides up to 4 hours backup and Cuzor provides 3 to 5 hours backup. Today let's unbox the router UPS. As you have maybe seen my previous video, Cuzor I have already unboxed. I can link in that video in the description. Resonate's packaging is a bit more nice. It just slides out. For comparison purposes, I have taken my old 9 volt router UPS and kept it alongside the 12 volt new one. The left side one is a 12 volt 2 ampere one, which is the new one. As you can see, the size of both of them are same, but for the 12 volt one, you can see they have added a notch for hanging it on a nail or something. For the 9 volt, it's pretty old. The 9 volt one is pretty old and it doesn't have that. On the other side, maybe the switch is all the same. It doesn't look any different. The markings are a bit more clear on the old one. The front side, this one is the 9 volt and this is the old, new one. Size wise, both are same. I switched both of them on and the same green LED can be seen. Now comparing it with Cuzor and Resonate 12 volt. Cuzor has the on-off switch on the front panel and Router UPS has it on the side. That depends on how you see it. Resonate UPS also places both the input and output ports on the same side. Cuzor has one on this side and the other one on the other side. That is input and here is the output. Design wise, Cuzor may look a bit compact, but I don't see if it makes any difference, since one is longer and one is more squarish. Let's complete the unboxing of Resonate Router UPS. Let's see what else is given. It's an installation guide. So, warranty card, I suppose. And you get a set of cables for different types of connectors that you might have for the devices you want to provide backup. This is something which is lacking for the the Resonate Router UPS. I think that is pretty much related to the unboxing. I hope this gives you an idea of Resonate UPS. Thank you and see you again in the next video. Bye bye.